Hello friends, this is Ashok Riwal. I welcome you all in A.Riwal's classes. Friends, as you know, the exams are quite closer and everybody is preparing very hard. So everybody wants that I should get the good marks, I should top the board examinations. And one more thing, everybody desires that, every child actually, what I feel, that they want to see the toppers answer sheet. They want to know what else the toppers they have written in the answer sheets. So here today we are going to discuss about the toppers answer sheet. I do have here one answer sheet of the last year. This is the answer sheet of last year of 2018 board examination of Cbse, right? You can also download it from your Cbse site online. I downloaded from there. I got the photocopy of it. So in this we will discuss that what this child has written, how to get the maximum marks, how to score the maximum in this examination of 12th class 2019. Though we know well that the pattern has changed, but still we can have some idea that what kind of things we can write in the examination, in the annual examination, to get the maximum marks. So let's see friends, without wasting any time, we are going to see the previous year's toppers answer sheet. Here it is. The first question, friends, as you know, the first section is your reading section. So this child has attempted the answer in the reading section. As earlier there were two, in the reading section there were two questions. One is meant for 12 marks and one is meant for 10 marks. So here this child has written the direct answers. Generally, as we suggest our students not to write the lengthy answers, and as you can see here, this child has written very direct answers of the questions. So it has not written many lines, 2 or 3 lines, means direct, very short answers he has written here in these questions, maximum 20 to 30 words. So I will show you the complete paper. First the reading section, then the writing section, and then the literature one. And one more thing, there comes a problem. Students, they feel that which section should we attempt first. See, what I suggest, any section in which you find that yes, I can do my better, that section can be taken as a first in your examination, in your paper. So the first, this child, this topper of the 2018, he has written here the direct answers. As you can see, he has not written the many lengthy answers, very short, to the point. We will take you the next page. As here you can see, I will show you. See, the direct, very short answers, and in every answer the examiner has awarded this child 1 mark, means each question. So as you have seen here, he got 12 out of 12. The second question, as according to previous pattern, it was of 10 marks, as 12 plus 10 and plus 8. This was the total 30. But now, as you know, that in this session 2019, the students are going to get the 20 marks, the first comprehension. Means it would also be an easy thing for the students that they are going to attempt only single comprehension of 20 marks, and that would be easy. So next comprehension, this child has written here again very short and direct answers, as you can see, right? Very direct answers the child has written. He has not elaborated many more things, the very lengthy things, and writing also you can see it is quite good. Presentation means after first question direct, he has mentioned here the second comprehension, second answers, and direct, everywhere the child got the marks. So after 2 questions, so what I mean to say, the child has written the direct answers. Generally students, what do? They just copy and paste. They just copy the text and they paste in it. So I suggest you avoid copy and pasting. Write the direct answers and give the answer in the same tense. This is also a thing to be concerned, that answer in the same tense in which the question is given, right? So here goes the third question. And third question, you know well, that is your note making. This third was note making in your according to previous pattern, but now it is the second question in note making. Earlier, as see, examiner has marked him 8 marks out of 8, but now it has become of 10 marks, right? 10 marks. So here, direct, according to the proper presentation, we mark here note making. Then the title was on waste management. As you know, the title is meant for 1 mark. The examiner has awarded him 1 mark. Then the notes, and the notes mean the first main heading, then the subpoints as 1, A, B, C, 1 by 1, 2, and A, B, C, direct. See, the child has not written the sentences, direct, the simplest phrases he has mentioned here, right? Then the third one. I will show you the direct answers, complete, what the child has written. See on the next page, as I told, you can also download it from your Cbse site. See, direct answers. So this is the presentation the child has attempted. And the last, the abbreviation, as it is also meant for 1 mark, 3 mark examiner has awarded 1. You can see here 1 plus 3 plus 1, 1 for title, 3 for notes, and 1 for abbreviations. So 5, as it is for total 8. And then summary. The word summary, summary, the child has written the word summary, and then the 1/3, 2 plus 1, 1/3 of the total comprehension the child has written here. So it was the first section, that is of your reading section. After this we'll go on the writing section, and then comes the fourth question the child has attempted. See clearly, this is the part of your presentation. You need to mention, I would say you must mention the section, which section you are going to attempt. It is the writing section. Then clearly the child has mentioned answer number 4, advertisement. Either you are attempting notice or advertisement, poster or invitation. I suggest to you that I recommend it, you need to write down here clearly that what are you going to attempt. As you know, it is optional, either advertisement or poster or invitation or notice, whatsoever, right? So the child has attempted advertisement and he got 4 out of 4, flat for sale, direct, to the point. The child has not written any bigger sentences or anything else. Direct, he has mentioned what means the advertisement in very short. You can see, right? This is the fourth question according to the previous pattern. 1 plus 2 plus 1, as the examiner will award according to the presentation, content and accuracy. Your marks to be awarded like this, right? And the next one is question number 5. Question number 5, the child has attempted here the job application, right? Sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, application for the post of PGT teacher in the political science, right? And then, sir, the complete introduction in 3 paragraphs, second and third one. Second one and the third one, and then yours faithfully. Then enclosure, resume or biodata with other details, with photographs. Child has written biodata and complete details. Here, the further details, as it is the format of your job application, your address, your other details, experience, your academic qualification, salary, everything the child has mentioned. So it is really a wonderful presentation. The next question is debate, question number 6, as child got 10 out of 10. So you know well that with the presentation you can make the idea that how the child has attempted every question very neat and clean. So this is question number 6, debate. Very clearly the child has mentioned it, right? Next question, question number 7. In debate the child got 4, it was for 10, 3 plus 2, 5, 4 and 1 means out of 10. Out of 10 the child got. Question number 7 next is article, and 9.5 out of 10 the child got. As I suggest to you, with the question, with the answer number, you will mention what are you going to attempt, and then the heading by your article in the paragraph. First one, about this one is about the introduction, then further details of the comprehension of the article, and then further information. Then here comes your question number 8 with the section 3rd, that is literature. Again the child has mentioned here clearly the section C, literature. So this is out of 4. It is poetic comprehension, poetic extract, sorry. So poetic stanza. From that the child has written the answer. On their slag heaps. The second poem, the child has written, mentioned here all the direct answers. The poetic stanza is from An Elementary School Classroom in Slum by Stephen Spender. So answers, the direct, these are written by the child clearly and easily. Next question, question number 9, short question answers of the literature. The child has written, see, these are meant for 3 marks, right? 3 marks. And direct. Here I would say that he has written a quite lengthy answers. You need to mention here only 30 to 40 words, maximum 30 to 40 words. These are more than enough. But in these 30 to 40 words, you must have written the concrete answer, the clear idea of your answer that should be given in the answer, right? Here it is. The next question. The child has written, the question is from, in the poetry poem, My Mother at 66, the poetess smiles. Showed actually how guilty she was feeling. Means this is answer from My Mother at 66. So the child got really wonderful answers. Next question is question number 10, from literature. A long question out of 6. Jitkalasa was a Native American woman, as means clearly the child has mentioned the answer. So what I mean to say here, that how to attempt a paper, that is quite easy and mentioned here, but you need to take the thing seriously and properly. You should have the word limits, you should have the good presentation. As the next question, question number 12, it is from the novel The Invisible Man. I think this is the character of Dr. Kemp. Dr. Kemp, as you can see here answer, Dr. Kemp was a scientist and a doctor by profession. He was a very, I cannot see, and a particular man. He was those of people who didn't just believe in the rumors, but what he want to know. So it is about the Dr. Kemp's character sketch of Dr. Kemp, as it was given in the previous year paper. The next one is about Griffin. Griffin was a great scientist. He was really hard working. So what I mean to say, that you can attempt the questions properly, write the concrete answer which is given here, and at the last, so this is about to complete, and this was the answer sheet of the topper of the last year, one who got the maximum marks out of 100 in this. So what I suggest that you can also achieve, you can also get 100 out of 100, though it generally it is said that it is a language paper we can get, but maximum previous year my students, they got 899 out of 100, right? There was a record in our school. So what I mean to say, if you have a good presentation, you are attempting every section properly, you should have a proper time management, then certainly you are going to get the good marks. I hope you like the video. In the next video I would give you the previous answers, previous year's question papers also, and if you like it, so please share it with your friends. And one more thing I suggest you, if you want to see it, as I hope it is not clearly visible in this answer sheet, you can download it from your Cbse site and you can see, you can visit over there. So if you liked it, please like and comment and share with your friends, and please subscribe our channel for the further videos. Thanks, have a nice day.